on this board?
It's just slightly floured. So we're now on the knead until all the flour is moistened. About 30 seconds.
I think we're starting to get somewhere in there. Okay.
All right. And then we're gonna transfer this to the prepared baking.
Okay, let's
Vessel.
bring that down there. Here. Look at this butter and butter.
That. And then using a very sharp knife, we're gonna cut an X, and that's to make sure that it bakes all the way through in the center. Since it's thicker in the center, you cut the X so that the heat can go in to the cuts and cook the insides.